MeghalayaPost.news.
Kadalong siya ka jingkaman bat kaburom hakabal ka school gorka Patshala High Secondary School Shillong hakasian ka Baningkong mantaw snem kalay obat ikakerdan bahakli edu haki examine secondary school living certificate SSLC hadian balapan bena mentakas ngi ya ka results dak Meghalaya Board of School Education embus kini ka school kalay rung hakakerdan ka Baningkong tam kade hadian bo Samla Wangaal Lama kalay oban kur hadu sanspa aprapsan marks na kan pa marks barbadru ikakerdan Baningkong hakani ka SSLC examination arajar apun rio balapan long da ka embus ka gorka Patshala High Secondary School nalol baklayo bat hakakerdan ka Baningkong klayo ru banban ya kakerdan bahnyo bat pra lingbau aditya thapa ubayo sanspa andriu kandai marks bat usyarat citri ubayo sanspa andriu pupra marks nakalyang principal katika school ru lapan pau kejingkeman ka bakrau baka school hakasian ka Baningkong kelawan hakakerdan ka Baningkong hakani ke SSLC examination arajar pun rio kabadai lingbau Wangaal Lama bat kani keladai kejingjob ka bakrau ka school bakandang la ban kiu syaprang hakalyang ban kentiu ya kapuli kaputi.
I'm still at loss of word. It's really a historic day for the entire Gorka Masla family. For the first time, one of our students have achieved the top position in the board exams, and there are two more of our students have achieved 7th and 8th positions. So, as you all know, we are having a 150 years. There is a centennial celebration of our school. So I cannot ask for anything better than this gift from my students on this historic year. I would say that it is the joint effort of my teachers, my dedicated teachers, my devoted students. And of course, whenever the board result was out, we would always miss the positions by just few marks. But this time, maybe we have taken all whatever measures were necessary, whatever is regular assessment, timely meeting, assessment of the students, everything was done. So maybe that is what has resulted in this exceptional results, at least for this year. I have never felt that our school was second to any other schools, but maybe the luck, it seems, was not in our sides, because we have a team of dedicated teachers who have always been working hard. But I do not know what was stopping us from these positions. But I never felt that we are less to any of those the renowned school in the city. I think it will motivate my students. They will be encouraged with this result. They will feel that we are second to none. So I think this is the path shown by my students will be followed by the upcoming batches, and I hope this will be a trend.
How happy are you?
So you were expecting.
I'm at the top of the wall.
So you were expecting the.
Yeah, in fact, we were expecting good results, but top positions. Our students were very good. I thought they are going to do. I was expecting something in the top 3, but top positions, of course, with the grace of the God and with the blessing of all my well wishers. Nothing. Our school has almost whatever infrastructure, whatever facilities are required by the students. I think our school has everything at the service of those students. We have a playground, we have laboratory, we have whatever is required for the betterment of those students. We have it in our schools.
My name is Wangaal Lama, and I got the first position in the SSLC of 2026. Well, yes, I never thought that I could not achieve it. I gave it my everything, and the results I can never be so sure that I will get it or not, but I always hope that I will get it. I will achieve the top positions, but when I got it, it feels so ethereal. It just feels like a dream.
So today is your day.
Yes, to be honest, I was so nervous. I didn't even check my results. My phone was on flight mode, and when the time came, I directly came to my school, and I saw all the commotion going on in my school. Their wildness, chaos was going on, and when they briefed me about my result, like I could not even believe it, and I'm just so happy, and it feels just like a dream, and it feels ethereal, otherworldly.
What is the question?
Well, you see, what I think that is that you should never think that you're less than anyone. You can come even from the rural side or even from the cities. You can even be You can even not score much in your previous classes, but what it takes is hard work. the foremost thing is that you have to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, then who else will? Nobody's expectation and belief matters, but what matters is you and your mindset. Work hard for it. You have to hone your skills. You have to improve in what you lack. And to be honest, you should not be a bookworm. You should not only be books. You should have a whole life experience. Live your class 10 throughout and live your studies. You should know everything. Don't be a bookworm. Have vast knowledge of your topics, and when you write, this is my advice, that when you write, don't write what you have marked up. Write through your heart. Write what you have understood. That's the key. Yes, that's the question that has been eating me up the most. I've been thinking a lot, but everything feels narrow to me. Like till now, I haven't really figured out my purpose in life. So I wish that God will help me to find what my purpose in life is, and that I can give it my all, and I can be a symbol for society. Yes, I would like to say that don't think of me as a topper. To be honest, I'm not a bookworm. I just study what I get. Don't think of me as a topper, because I know that thousands of people have prepared. Thousands of people were expecting this, and fortunately, I got what I wanted. But I would like to say is that whenever you do something, fulfill your responsibilities. Carry your dharma and your karma throughout, because that is the foremost duty of a human. And whenever you do something, don't expect anything, because if you do something without expectation, you will not be affected by the pleasure of victory, and you will not be affected by the suffering of defeat. So whenever you do something, do through your whole heart. Keep in mind that you are doing this because this is your duty, this is your responsibility, because you want this. And when you give it your all, the result won't matter to you, because in your heart you will feel satisfied. And to be honest, for me too, the results, they were eating me up much, but I have realized this, that the results didn't matter to me, because what I performed, I could do it with my whole heart. No regret was left in me, so the result didn't matter at all, and I'm just thankful to God that I got this top position.
meghalayapost.news